I knew you were trouble when you were.
I could see us in like 15.
And now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Okay, no. Bitch, don't crash whatever you do.
I can't do that. My arm to zoom in. You know how dumb that is?
Loud.
Highlights on point.
On point, right?
Ooh, stay here, stay here, stay here. I've always wanted to do this. Yeah, that thing. Right there.
I thought you were doing that thing where you like flip it around and it's like that.
If we actually, like, you saw a car coming down and for that we would just be like,
Run me over, Daddy!
like, how to use this?
Ooh! 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 Ooh!
I say you love me, I say you crazy, you ain't nothing wrong with me. Boy, this is the thinnest sidewalk. Because I can't ride a bike with one stupid hand. Shut up. Okay. I like Donald Trump's great non-existing wall.
Road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Oh my god. What do you think? Oh my god.
Beat, bet.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Is this allowed?
Is this allowed?
Yes!
Yes, that music!
What the hell? Make up your goddamn mind.
Target vlog, am I right?
Oh, the school? No. Oh, no.
This is hashtag aesthetic. Oh, that oh my god, that Polaroid is so cute.
Adorbs.
Never stop. Please. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my god, these are adorable. Look at these. Look at these. Oh my god. Oh, those are cute.
Bruh.
They're so cute. These little cacti. It's well.
If it's plural, it's cacti. No.
Do you want to get water at Starbucks? Okay.
I want this, but then again,
That's very like aesthetically
I
pleasing.
really want. It's on clearance. Oh damn, it's so expensive though.
Oh, that smells like Jesus himself.
Okay, we should write something with like that. Oh my god.
Wait, oh, does it? Oh my god.
Send you.
The guy that did that though.
I'm in love. And
Where'd you go? Betty. Where'd you go? Betty. Well, we've lost Betty. I realized I could just call her, but like, it's more fun just like mindlessly walking around the store looking for her, right? Oh, she's over there. There you are.
I mean, this is leather and oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is.
What is that? Is that like a turkey baster? Wait, no. Oh, bottles, stop.
The fact that they can't trust me with this is like, I'm responsible.
Oh, it does not make you.
Look at that. That looks like an atom. And after that they have the nucleus, and after that they have protons. And
Oh, I thought you meant atom, like Adam.
Adam.
Adam!
Sweeteners over here. They turned it around.
Look at that. It's like your
Me.
the better version of your.
Dude, yeah, actually, yeah. The dot. Wait,
It's like about this girl, and after that, there's this girl who like refuses to draw, and after that, in like for art class, and then she just makes a dot. Okay.
wait, let me call my spawner and let me see if she will come.
Oh, school supplies.
Oh, no.
When I actually see how high I am, it has like this.
Ooh, cacti. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Mood. These are your conductor bands.
No, really? Oh my god. Some wannabe vans.
Oh my god. Yeah. Ooh,
Why do I look normal?
Ooh. You look like that one rich aunt that like comes and flies around to the less successful relatives.
I like those.
These are cute.
Goes here a Y for the stir, but it's full of water.
Can I just get 2 small waters, please?
Yeah, I'll figure this out.
Okay, thank you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You're mean.
Neutrons are neutral.
Me spawner, pick this up.
Protons are
So
positive.
now we get to go home. Yay! We made it home from the Target. Fun stuff, right? Oh yeah, side effects. Oh my god, I have to like edit these to like make them look good because like I'm ugly and I can't change that. But
Really, Force, ain't you in Charlottesville with that tiki torch?
Oh no.
That was good. You must be a comedian too.
Oh
It's
my
too
God.
bad my phone has more gigs than you.
What kind of fuckery is this?
Neutron and the thick scars. Those are big ass crops in the. I can't. Anyways, vlog number what? 4.
wait, come here.
I'm gonna sleep.
Get these lights on. Here.